Alright, so as you saw on the plan, we took two masks, right? And I connected them with binder clips. One of the masks, I cut the part that goes around your ear and tied them together so that we can go behind your head. There's a string right here attached to the bottom of the front mask. And then just for fun, kind of make it look like a ceiling fan, I added a little weight at the bottom. But here's what it looks like when used. So you gotta have your hat on, right? This goes around your ears. This goes around your head. Your binder clip attaches to your hat. And then this string goes through here. And then when you're ready to take a bite of food, you pull down, take a bite. And when you let go, it goes back down, covers your mouth, and you're able to safely eat in public wearing a mask. When it's time to take a bite, cover yourself back up. But that's one way that I demonstrated using the engineering design process, making improvements to make up the best possible product.